A very good morning everyone, and today I'm making this video because of something which is so disturbing that everybody is just kind of like talking about the same thing. The Cockroach Janata Party is made is made on this outset of paper leak, and we see that how the paper leak is happening one after the other. NEET paper leak and then multiple paper leaks. This NEET was leaked 2024 as well, and now this one scam is getting exposed, which is that earlier these three people who are doing their MBBS right now from Rajasthan, all of them took admission through corruption, and they are doing the MBBS right now, and they're going to be the future doctors of this country. And all three of them was selected via corrupt and completely virile means. So what do you have to say about this, which is so ridiculous? That the doctors in the future of this country are going to be doctors through these fraudsters' activities. It is important to realize and fathom that this is not the way how it can work. Dharmendra Pradhan needs to be sacked, but most definitely he wasn't sacked by the Prime Minister, and nobody knows why. Where is the accountability? There is no accountability left in this country. We're very much aware about that. We saw after Pahalgam there was no accountability, but what about after this? So many students have committed suicide after the NEET paper leak. Where is the accountability? No accountability is there. Nobody is coming and nobody is taking up accountability for what is happening right now. As if there's no authority. If you don't have the guts and strength to take the credible responsibility for paper leak, then why the hell are you sitting as minister? You are a union minister, you are a union minister of education, and you are saying that that paper leak is happening, it will not happen from next time. It is not the point that it will not happen from next time. It has happened this time. It had happened before, and most definitely it will happen in the future. The point is that why is this going on, and why paper leak is happening when the goal of this country is to be Viksit Bharat, and right now we're in Amrit Kal. What sort of Amrit Kal is this when you cannot respect your students, when you cannot respect the youth of this country, and when you cannot give people dignified, graceful opportunity to rise up the ladder of hierarchy? If this is going to continue, people who are rich, who have money, they will pay for examinations and will get up the ladder. What is going to happen to poor people whose only recourse in front of them is to give these examinations and to get a dignified middle class life? They're not asking for a luxurious life, they're asking for a middle class life, and that too they're going to get through hard work. Please give them the access to safe papers, safe examinations. Please fix the accountability, which is the imperative thing to do. Sack Dharmendra Pradhan as soon as possible, because he has failed as an education minister. This is what is going to be the true foundation for Amrit Kal and for Viksit Bharat and for the development and for the youth prosperity and inclusivity and diversity. Thank you.